Hello everyone, I am your game dev companion and in this video we will learn how to install Visual Studio and pair it up with Unity so you can code effortlessly. The first thing you are gonna do is to open up your browser and search Visual Studio. Click on the first link on the top. Click download Visual Studio. Now the setup will get downloaded on your device. After the download is complete, run the setup and click allow. Continue. Now the Visual Studio installer will get installed on your device. This is the Visual Studio installer. Now you won't see any installs here. To install a version, click the Available tab and select the community version of the Visual Studio. Here you have to select the Game Development with Unity module. Make sure to uncheck Unity Hub in Optionals if you have Unity installed. If you haven't installed Unity yet, then go check out my video on how to install Unity in under 4 minutes. Link is in the description. After that, click Install. This will start the installation of Visual Studio. After the installation is complete, you have to create a new Unity project and go to Edit, Preferences, External Tools. In this drop-down, you have to select Visual Studio and you are good to go. If you have any queries regarding the video, then feel free to ask in the comments. Hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe so you don't miss out on more informative content. That was all for this video and I will see you in the next one.